శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 424th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 17th chapter, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Sri Krishna Paramatma saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, we have to see the time and kill Jarasandha. There is no other go. Even after killing Jarasandha, if we are killed by his own army, that is also good for us, because all of our kings will be released from Jarasandha's custody. By doing that, prapnuyama tatasvargam jnatitrana parayanaha. In doing that, even if we lose our lives, we will definitely attain heaven. Like that, when Krishna said, Dharmaraju asking, "Oh Krishna, koyam Jarasandha, kim viryaha, kim parakramaha." Who is this Jarasandha? Because you are like Agni. Even after attacking you, as and how a small insect falls into fire and totally gets burnt out, how come that Jarasandha is not burnt out even after attacking you? How come he is still alive? Like that, when Dharmaja asked, Krishna saying, Dharmaja, now I will tell you who is Jarasandha and why I had to spare him even after so many times he attacked. There used to be a king called Brihadratha. He is such a great king. And he married two Kasi Raja's daughters. Those daughters are twins. He married to both of them. And in enjoying with them, he never cared any other things. So by then, all of his age is gone. He did not get blessed with a son or any children. And one of those days, one Muni, Chandakausika, came over there. And Brihadratha, along with his wives, came to that Muni, did all of his services. Muni also felt very much happy with Brihadratha and asked, "Oh Brihadratha, why are you here? What is the reason behind it?" Then Brihadratha says, "Oh Muniswara, I don't have a son. I do know that without having any son, our life is waste. And that is why I came to this forest along with my wives. And if there is no child, if there is no son, the king's fame will be totally destroyed and the king will not get any heavenly pleasures. That is why I came to these forests along with my wives." Like that Brihadratha said. Then that Muni Chandakausika got so much compassionate towards this Brihadratha and saying like this. What he is saying, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.